Okay, well today we're going to get some hamburgers for some people that need it. And my wife Scout talked me into it today, so we're missing the Alabama game. But I think Alabama's going to pull this one off. But we're at a hamburger joint, so we've done this before, but we buy, like 10 hamburgers, and just hand them out. So we're going to spend a little time this morning trying to help somebody out. So kudos to my wife Scout for talking me into it today.
Oh, you went ahead and put them in all the bag. Oh, you sweet.
Thank you so much.
How are you? We're around here trying to help people. How you doing? Doing all right?
Wow.
Got 4 right there, brother.
Thank you,
We
brother.
out here trying to help people out, my man.
Thank you, brother.
All right, man.
Thank you.
So many needs in the world, man. You feel like you're just doing such a, you're just barely chipping at anything, My wife was telling me, we only gave out 2 earlier. She says, well, I can't eat 8 hamburgers, so we got to get rid of the rest of these hamburgers. Heck, we probably could have bought 30 or 40 and still not had enough. And you kind of want to be careful out here too, but at the same time, you want to try to reach out and give somebody a little bit of hope for, even if it's just for 5 minutes, And we have no idea who we're giving these to today. I mean, we did it once before a long time ago, but the reason we're kind of doing it is just to give people ideas that you can do when you're free on a Saturday. And, sometimes when you're not having the best of weeks, maybe it's best to reach out and give something to somebody and experience a little bit of joy that you're doing something for somebody that, didn't expect it, So it's kind of a cool thing. So we're just hoping that everybody watching out there might pick up and start doing something similar or something unique and share that with us. That's what we want to see, other ideas of what you can do for other people.